So why do your videos not play on the iPhone? Let me talk about it. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, for example, whenever you open up the Photos library like that and scroll back a little bit and tap on a video, and if that one isn't playing, the most common reason could be that that video is not locally stored on your iPhone, but instead it's on the iCloud, and it requires proper internet connection to be loaded. The best way to figure it out would be by checking out the settings, clicking on your profile at the top, and when you go to the iCloud section, you'll see the photos. And if you have the Sync This iPhone enabled, it means that you back up your photos and videos automatically to the iCloud. And the way that it works is that your videos are now on the iCloud, especially the older ones, and that basically means that you always need internet connection to access them. I personally don't like this feature because I kind of don't have the option to distinguish between the videos stored locally on the iPhone and those on the iCloud, so I personally keep it turned off. But you can always just check out the Safari web browser, where you can log into iCloud.com and browse the photos which are only on the iCloud, right? So when you go through this, you'll see only the videos and photos which are on iCloud. So for me, that's the perfect way to distinguish between the photos and videos. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I know a lot of people which are strongly against iCloud photos. I know people who really enjoy that feature. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming quick guides and tutorials like this one. And I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.